Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a hello world program using Groovy. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I'm using Visual Studio Code, so let us go to File, New Text File, and then I will type here print hello world. That's it. Print space double quotation hello world, and then we save. Let's say for example hello world dot groovy. So in Visual Studio Code we have to specify the type of program and then click save. Okay, and then we run, click this file, right click, run code. Okay, we have here the output hello world in Groovy programming language. Okay, that's it guys, very simple, very straightforward. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.